Hi, this is Mike Marshev, and the purpose of this video is to give you a little explanation of what the Inner Circle is all about. It was a pipe dream of mine to get proactive, action-oriented travel agents together on a single team where we could collaborate on a regular basis, utilize each other's experiences, utilize each other's energies to build businesses of our own. Now, the Inner Circle, I'll be the facilitator, but here's what it is. It's, in theory, it's a 12-month program that goes month to month to month. So don't get excited about 12 months. But I'd like you to invest a year into the sales and marketing program, because any part of that year, any input, any ideas, any strategies within that year are going to more than pay for the price of admission. But that being said, it's a month to month, so don't get excited about that. But what it is I'm going to have 2 monthly sales meetings to motivate, stimulate, and to educate you as my Inner Circle group. In addition to that, I'm going to have 2 monthly, what I call open mic sessions, where you get on the phone and you can ask me any of your personal questions that you'd like. So it's an open mic, open forum. You come to me. The sales meetings, I educate you. The open mic, you talk to me, and we collaborate. In addition to that, I have uploaded everything I've ever done up on our personal private website. So you have 24/7 access to a resource library of letters, templates, modules, how-to seminars, my books, 52-week sales planner, the 12-word marketing plan, Become the Exception, all of my audios, my motivational audio series, 2 CD series of my seminar messages. It's all up at the resource library for you to go to at a moment's notice. In addition, we have our group private Facebook collaboration page. And what we're doing there is we're individually inputting information, inputting experiences, so the others in the group can benefit from them. We also have a new page where if you refer a tour operator or somebody who you think did a great job in any other part of the world, we're going to have a referral page where the members can go to get endorsements for when they're looking for support around the world. So that's going to, let's call it the referral page. I'm going to teach you, educate you, stimulate you, and then we're going to use each other in collaboration to motivate ourselves. Why? So our goals will be achieved, so we will become more successful in the travel industry. Now that, in a nutshell, is the Inner Circle. I'm going to charge $300 a year, but it's going to be invoiced monthly. So if for any reason, I don't care what it is, but if you decide that you've had enough, you want to opt out, something's popped up in your life, no problem. It's a month-to-month invoice of, I guess if you divide 300 by 12, it's about $24 a month. Month by month, your satisfaction is guaranteed. You also, while I think of it, have access to me via email at any time for any reason. If you want a third pair of eyes to look at one of your sales letters, if you have a question, email me, and as the members know, I get back to you in due course right away. So it's a great collaboration, a great club. I'm growing it very carefully, agent by agent, to make sure we get the right people in the loop. But together, collectively, we are going to make things happen, and we're going to make 2013 the absolute best year we've ever had, not because we wish it, not because we hope it, not because our fingers are crossed, but because we're going to make it happen. I hope that you will join us, test us, try us. You'll like us. You won't go away. You'll stay. It's only $300 a year, invoiced monthly. Opt out anytime. You can't lose. Give it a shot. I'm Mike Marshev, and I hope that you'll be part of my Inner Circle very soon. Thanks for watching this short video.